for me, more than the gas, it is the digestate. What comes as slurry, this is super nutrition, okay, super fertilizer, right? And from what? From actually the waste. So this can easily be, any roof can be transformed, and this entire roof can be used as a climate asset. Instead of leaving it like a dark surface to absorb heat and dissipate in the night, we can use it as a catchment for energy, water, nutrition, and in general a climate asset. That is the whole idea. So this is a bigger plant. Okay, same thing which can be scaled up. What is here is now scaled up like this. The theory is the same. Now here everything is, scales are higher, because instead of putting 2 kgs of waste, here we are putting 50 kgs of waste. And we have done the entire digester underground. Again, surface black because to attract the heat. Now this is again, there is nothing. There is actually Ramakrishna Ashram in Kingiri. So they were saying, okay, we take 6 cylinders per month. What can be done? This was done last year, even before all these gas issues, all Iran war, everything started. This was done 6 cylinders, 7 cylinders in a month. 40 children. What needs to be done? A simple decision. The president of the ashram said, okay, we'll put the biogas register. We have got three cows, we have got enough waste coming from the kitchen. We'll use this. Now from 6 cylinders a month, it's come to 1. And this April, we overdosed it because there was no cylinder. So we said, okay, we put more and see what happens. Some divine intervention, entire month, it ran without a single cylinder. So it has worked. Very simple solution. All it took is 15 days of work. That's all. Excavation, building, curing, inoculation, and system is on. Now it's been 1.5 years. Every day, 35 people get 2 meals a day. Their breakfast and lunch. Dinner happens sometimes in LPG, sometimes in this. So very, very simple, and this is nothing new. This is there for centuries now. But to be implemented, in a way in which they also feel good to be using it. If I had gobar everything strewn around here, and if it was valve breaking, some suddenly leaking here and there, it will be like an eyesore. I don't want to use it. Same thing here, right? I have seen these plants, all the digestate falling off here, and the overflow from here will all be stuff lying around. So after some time, this becomes a repulsive thing. People don't want to use it. So you have to make sure the systems are implemented in a way that people like to use it. Now, I have seen a lot of plants here, they do Ayurvedic use. Because for them, it is a source of energy. It is not a Facebook photograph. Like, in many places we see, okay, we implement, we take a photo and their job ends. But this has to sustain, not only environmental sustainability, it has to be a spatial sustainability. Right? So it's just not about a photograph, it has to be used. And when it comes, like where we actually have an energy problem, they tend to use it better than the pampered urban folks. Okay. So, simple technology, it's being used, it's been there, not me, hundreds of people are doing it, there are thousands of plants working. It just have to be made into a mainstream, like how people buy a washing machine, we'll have to make people buying a wastewater treatment plant. People buying a biogas register. It has to be sold in Mega Mart or whatever. That should be the level in which we have to scale the system so that adoption becomes the default choice, not one other choice. So we need to have many people competing to sell the digesters instead of making this into a fancy TED talk. Okay. So this is about the waste problem, and this is all nothing new, nothing fancy. They are simple, waiting to be scaled. So these are something which I am trying to add on. All these things are already there. These are some things which we can add on to the ecosystem. For example, this is a like duckweed. We know this. This is a floating fern everywhere. Everybody, most people know about this. Basically, this is actually the biomass multiplies. So a lot of people tell me they don't have enough feed for biogas. Urban folks. I say you put this into